You are welcome to Operation 4.0 GPA online tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, share the link and leave a comment for us to give you more. So today we want to look at how you can find determinant of a 2x2 matrix. So our matrix A, B, C, D. So now we have a 2x2 matrix with the rows and columns. So the horizontal elements represent the row and then the vertical elements represent the column. So with this, with every element is found on a particular row or column. So when you come to element A, it's found on the first row and then the first column. With B is found on the first row and second column. C is found on the second row and first column, and D is found on the second row and second column. So now, in order to find the determinant of this matrix, the simple thing you need to do is to multiply the element on your main diagonal or the principal diagonal. And on our principal diagonal here, we have the element A and D. And then you subtract the multiplication of what is on your off diagonal or not on the main diagonal. The elements that are not on the main diagonal. In this case, we have B and C. So you subtract BC from what? AD, and that becomes your determinant. So what I'm saying is that determinant of this matrix, if this matrix is A equal to, then determinant of this matrix, which is A, B, C, D, is given by multiplication of what is on the main diagonal, which is A times D minus B times C, and your result is the determinant of this particular matrix. So the next thing we will do is to take an example and resolve. Okay, so now we have been given this example, which is matrix S equal to 3, 2, 4, 6, and we are supposed to find its determinant. So remember that this is on the first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, and then second row, second column. But in order to find determinant of this matrix, we said you should multiply what is on the main diagonal. So determinant of it, you need to add this sign to it, 4, 6. And then in order to find determinant of this matrix, multiply what is on the main diagonal. So what is on our main diagonal is 3 times 6, then minus what is on the off diagonal, or that one that is not a main diagonal. So the elements there are 2 and 4. So you multiply them, then you do your arithmetic. So 3 times 6 is 8, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So when you do your subtraction, you are going to get 10. So 8 minus 8 is 10. So we've been able to calculate the determinant of this particular matrix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, share the link, and leave a comment for us to give you more. See you in the next video.